Hello friends, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you about the JFT membership. So once after making the payment, you will get the videos instantly and you will be going through 12 hours of pre-recorded videos where I'll be explaining you the advanced price action strategy, the clean entries and exits with the perfect stop loss and where to keep the target. I'll be explaining you everything in detail and you can basically watch it any number of times. There is no limitations, and the bonus part is, the most important part is access to our JFT community, which is where we share the potential charts. So for example, we booked more than 30% in Make Money Chemicals where one of our members shared, and even I recently shared Adani Power where it just shoot up 20% after I posted it. So this is how our community works. We look for potential charts and we post it at the right time before the breakout, and you get into the trade and make money. Not only that, you will also learn from me how to enter at the right point, right? So we keep updating the videos. It's not a static course, it's a dynamic course where we keep updating frequently. You will also get access to a custom coded indicators which is exclusively designed for intraday, and this course is specially designed for office goers where you can take trades based on swing trading, where the charts are being posted in our community, right? And you will also be able to trade in crude oil after 6 p.m. We are specialized in crude oil trading and we know how to book 10 to 20 points each day irrespective of the market condition, and this is how we make consistent income from swing trading and also from crude oil. So this is how we keep the balance, and if you want to make consistent income and if you want to become a profitable trader, like let's say 3 months, 4 months, I'm very sure that you will find this community and our membership very useful. So this is 19,400 for 1 year for now, and we are going to increase the price very soon. So please make sure to enroll to the course right now and you will get the access to the videos instantly now.